So let's think about how we would do a problem if we are given the graph, but we want to write the equation. So I'm going to look at number 36 here. And this makes a V, so I know it's going to be an absolute value function. So I know it's going to be y equals, and I'm going to have some kind of absolute value bars here. And I know inside the absolute value bars, I'm going to have an x. So the first thing I want to think about is where the vertex is. If this was the parent function, the vertex would be here. But this one has been shifted over 2 units to the left. So inside my absolute value bars, I need to put a plus 2, because plus 2 means 2 to the left. It hasn't been shifted up or down either, or at all, so I could put a 0 here. And now I want to think about the slope. If I go from this point to this point, I've gone up 1 over 2. So I know that my slope is 1/2. Let's go think about number 38. Let's see if we can write the equation for that. This one's an absolute value function, so I know it's going to be y equals, and I'm going to have absolute value bars. So I'm going to find my vertex first. Notice this graph's going by 2's. Normally the vertex is here, but this one's been shifted 2 to the right and up 2, 4, 6. So 2 to the right would be -2, and up 6 would be a +6 at the end. So let's think about our slope. One thing that I notice is this has been reflected. It opens upside down. So I know this has to be a negative. And then I'm going to look for the slope. I see that the slope goes down 1, which is actually 2, and over 2, 4, 6. And 2 over 6 is 1/3. So the slope would be -1/3. So the way I would read this is y equals -1/3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 6.